each other, making such rivalries like who runs faster and who does more push-ups like that.
Okay. Right. So some of your school friends
Yes, sir.
and ask them about you.
Yes, sir.
What would they say?
So they would first say that I used to lie a lot about my studies, that I have not been studying so much, but then also I scored high grades. So usually they say that I have been good in studies. Sir, I also helped them with their practical files and homeworks. Like when they were not coming to school, I provided them with the stuff, so they can say that I would be helpful to them. Sir, also before exams we used to conduct study sessions where if I was having some doubts regarding physics or chemistry and they were knowing about it, I can ask. But mostly it was them who approached me to approach for the mathematics because I was better than it among them.
Okay, and something where they would like you to do better or something they don't like about you.
So something that, sir, the thing that they did not like about me, that sir, I don't go out much with them, as in the evening they wanted to go to the movies or sometimes just to hang out, but I usually turned these down because I had to study and I had to go to the coaching also. So because my 12th ND exam was approaching, and after that my boards and practicals, and sir, since in school I was the greenhouse captain, I was not able to attend much of the classes. I had to miss classes just to make sure that these team selections are going well. So that was the reason that I had to give extra hours to study at home, and usually when I was going out,
Okay,
I did
so-
some for exercise only.
Okay, so let's try to understand then how you were spending your time. Okay, at that time, starting from what time you got up
Yes, sir.
till you went to sleep in detail, how were you spending your time? Also, what are your interests and hobbies?
Yes, sir.
What do you pursue and follow? I would like to know those as well.
Sir, as of 12th, sir, I woke up at 5:30, and sir, I went for a half an hour run in the morning itself so that I could freshen myself up. And sir, after that, when I came back at 6, sir, I usually got ready for school. And sir, around 6:40, my father dropped me to school as he gave the van services in my school, so he only took me and my brother to the school. Sir, at around 1:30, no, sir, around 2 my school used to leave, and it was 2:15 when my coaching at the RS Defense Select Academy for written examinations started. So I took permission from my mathematics teacher that I would be coming 15 to 20 minutes late because my school leaves late. So at 2:30 I reached the coaching, attended the maths class from 2:30 to 4. Sir, 4 to 5:30 was my GS class, and sir, 5:30 to 6 or 6:30 it was the English class. Sir, after that I went to my Mamaji who taught me maths, as he was the one who helped me cope up with the 11th and 12th syllabus simultaneously. Sir, because it was quite difficult to cope up with the coaching, because every 2 months they would be doing a rotation of all the chapters and that were covered. So I studied at his place around till 8, and sir, coming back at home around 8:30, sir, and it was usually quite late. So I was only having dinner, some doing some homework and some stuff that was given to me at the school. And sir, I usually slept. But on weekends, sir, it was a bit different. Sir, as weekends, I did not attend the coaching, and I also did not go to Mamaji's place for maths. Sir, I usually spent most of my day studying uh, Sir, I usually spent my day studying or helped my parents with the shop, as as my father went to the school or some market to uh, buy the products for that we will be selling in the shop. And also my mother was preparing for the MPTET exam, so she needs some time to study. So during these school hours, usually it 10 to 11, after sir taking a bath, and at 12 I took my lunch, and then I freed them so that you can go study, now I am at the shop. And sir, that is the thing that I have been following till date. Sir, like in morning after workout and exercise, having the breakfast, I used to study. I used to read the newspaper, the Indian Express, for about 1 hour, and after that, sir, bathing, taking lunch, and then I used to handle the shop. Sir, at 2:30 I closed the shop, and around that time my father also returned from the market. So my mom and dad used to take a nap in this afternoon. Sir, in the evening, this time I was contributing to my studies regarding the NDA. So because the GS portion was my weak spot, so I was studying more of it in this duration, because this was the time when I was already not burdened by any homework or something. So, sir, and in the evening, my best friend is Pratham at home, sir. So in the evening around 6, he comes, and we go for a long run. Usually we go for some exercise and run, spending a good time cracking out jokes. And sir, after I come at 7 or 7:30, sir, I would usually do my music stuff, because I did not want to get away from that, because anytime we could be going for an inter-school competition or some event would come up, so I had to get my skills ready so that I can learn. And sir, around 8:30 or 9, the dinner was ready. I had dinner with my family. And sir, around 1 hour, I prepared for the next day. Like, I ironed my own uniform and also prepared for the books that I would be carrying for the next day. And sir, at around 10 to 10:30, I used to sleep.